Hello and welcome, Victor here from Motor Match Crewe, and I am delighted to show you around this used BMW X1 2.0 20i xLine Auto xDrive. Finished in silver and powered by 192 PS petrol engine paired with sport automatic transmission, this X1 offers a refined and dynamic driving experience. The front stands out with adaptive LED headlights featuring high beam assist, BMW's iconic kidney grille and sculpted bumper detailing. Matte aluminium exterior trim and silver underbody protection add rugged style, while the 18-inch alloys offer both comfort and agility. At the back, LED taillights, power tailgate and twin chrome exhaust pipes deliver premium finish, and the boot is wide and practical, featuring automatic power tailgate, underfloor storage and flexible 40-20-40 speed folding sliding rear bench. It adapts very easily to luggage, sports or other requirements. Rear passengers benefit from ample space and supportive heated seats. Isofix anchor points and sliding bench functionality make family life easier, while quality finishes and extended lighting create a comfortable environment. At the front, the optional perforated Dakota leather in oyster with grey highlights brings sophistication. The 3-spoke multifunction sports steering wheel provides excellent grip and access to audio and cruise controls, with the optional brake function integrated. Ahead sits crisp digital driver display. On offer is 2-zone automatic climate control, which provides individual comfort, and infotainment system offering crisp sound with DB and USB connectivity. You also get Bluetooth hands-free and smartphone integration, intuitive BMW Navigation system with live updates, and a BMW connected drive, giving you access to online services and apps. You also get vehicle information menu offering vehicle status and allowing you to monitor car systems and service needs. You also get sport displays offering real-time performance data. This has been a presentation of the BMW X1 2.0 20i xLine Auto xDrive. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our sales team a call today.